at the Duke Cancer Institute, we are committed to working with our community, with our patients, with our physicians and our researchers to make sure that together we are creating the platform that will ensure that we have diverse participation in every clinical trial that we have here at Duke. And so we held a phenomenal event where we brought together our community panelists and patients to talk to our research teams about what's important to them about participating in clinical research and clinical trials.
The relationship between the doctor and the primary care physician, I think, is important because I have known my primary care physician for probably 12, 13 years. I only knew the doctor from the time I was diagnosed, but because of the relationship and the trust factor that I have built up with my primary care physician, it helped me have a better feel for this doctor and feeling like he was going to be someone that would, be working in my best interest.
The African American community has had a negative experience with medical research, and participation in trials is pretty much a cultural no-no. But if we knew that it was an opportunity to benefit from new medicines, and if we also knew that we could be a part of contributing to the good for other people, I think our participation levels would increase tremendously.
So one of the key things about addressing diversity in clinical trials is addressing the multiple factors. That includes ensuring that patients are being asked, and not only asked, but approached in a way that they can understand what a clinical trial is, and then really make an informed decision on whether or not they'd like to participate.
From the patient point of view, they most likely for cancer research, they are under a could be very stressful situation dealing with their disease situation. So I think the staff from the clinical trial really needs to understand that and treat them as a whole person, not just a potential number on their recruitment.
One way to reach the community through the community health workers is very important, especially if we want to then to start to participate in clinical trials.
We're really excited because the things that we learned will now spur us to the next level of innovation with our community partners and with our patients toward diversifying research participation for everyone.